There we go. If you can't see me, that's fine. And my RA is probably wondering I'm talking to myself, but I'm not. I'm finally doing another YouTube video. Oh, whoa, my eyes are all types up and I'm no longer in the screen. There we go. So this is my new room. I should move the camera around to show you, but I won't. I want to fix my hair instead. Fantastical nail polish. My new room is with, I don't live directly with the RA. She is my suite mate. She is doing awesome. She's behind this wall with her boyfriend, or current person of interest. We'll go with person of interest. We'll go with Poi. But what I did want to talk about... Am I done? Am I done? Take that, Nintendo Capri Sun. No, really don't. I would so love it if you ever watched one of my videos. I would just be like, ah. One, I did want to talk about all the Let's Players right now, and I am just fucking burping like a storm up in here. Excuse me, all hell's of a lot. I need to do some color correcting on this shit. This is ugly as all hell. Yes. We should probably start this over, shouldn't we? We should, but we won't. There's lag. There's like lag of half a second or more, and it's really... Well, in any case, I want to talk about my Let's Players. Let's get into talking about what this video is about. Okay, so all the Let's Players out there: Josh Jepson, Attacking Toucans, Chugga Conroy, Nintendo Capri Sun, Game Guy, Lucajin, Nintendo LP, Hayden, Cage848, Toby Turner, whom else? Oh god, just all of them. Archmage Malik, Screen Rave, Paul Source Jr., Minecraft Chick even. They are the most amazing people in the world. They're just so fucking inspiring. Like legitimately, I am head over heels for all of them. Proton John, that was another one, sorry. They're just all so freaking inspiring consistently. I mean, I literally have spent over 70 days watching their videos, and that makes me sound like a shut-in, like I don't go out and do nothing. But no, I get out a lot. Because, like, I watch these videos from, like, when I'm about to go to sleep until when I go to sleep, and that takes all of 7 hours. So that's, like, 7 hours every day, blah, blah, blah. Someone else do the math. But, from all those Let's Players, I've noticed that there's a good amount of physics that everyone hates. And there's something else that everyone hates, too. Well, has a great disliking for, anyways. What that is one with a great disliking for is because it's not a physics thing. It's cameras. The camera angles on any video game will screw you over like what? Like, oh my god. Excuse me again. It's like all of a sudden, camera angle's over here. Camera angle is up the what? Camera angle decides to be all of a sudden two-person. All of a sudden, you're now looking the same way I am with the camera. I mean, how annoying is this? If this is what you saw behind people. But that's what cameras do sometimes. They're just like, oh, I'm gonna be all sneaky and sneak up behind you. Something like that. Neon Genesis or something, no? Evangelion, that's what it's called. No one heard what I said before. Original Pokemon from Diamond and Pearl. The original Pokedex in it. It's a weird, weird poster. Like, whatever. Twilight Princess. And then this cute little crayon thing up here is what my cousin drew. Hi, Maeve. You're a sweetheart. Thank you for that. Oh, here's my friend responding to... as long as you're not too fresh. Me, fresh? Really? What does he think I am? Probably leaving here at 10:30. No! Ugh! Whoremonger. I need to get back to this video. Okay, so there's with the camera angles. Camera angles suck like what? Camera angles just completely, totally suck. So do random things on the iPod. The other thing are physics. I should save that for the next video, which I will be doing in like an hour. But just remember, physics. Physics of ice, water, wind, and particle. Well, I can talk about particle physics really quickly. Particle physics are some of the hardest physics to make and control in a video game. Luckily, most particle physics don't damage you. Don't affect the gameplay or affect the mode. However, they do affect the way the gameplay is brought to you. Like the way the camera angle is going, if it starts going at too many angles at too many times, it slows down and gives you lag. Lag is a horrible thing. Lag is like sluggishly moving. So, with particle physics at the same time, if you have so many camera angles and particle physics, or just tons of particle physics, you won't be able to play your game at full capacity. Because particle physics, it senses this is a solid object, but this solid object is trans something, not transgender, not transsexual, and it's not transparent. It can go through things, but it's not invisible or whatever. Translucent, I guess? I'm not sure. But in any case, but it still senses it there, so it has to create the objects and create the things around it for the physics of this. Of the shit with the crap and the things and the fucks. Warning, mature language will be used. Particle physics are the nicest of physics in any video game. They're just there. They're just very difficult to program. To program particle physics that take up a 2x2 or a 4x4, 4x4x4 cube takes over 3 hours. Now imagine that when you're playing a desert level and you have to do all of these sand wifting all over the places. That takes some serious skill because you have to tell the computer there's this huge object, but you can go through it, and it doesn't impede you in any way, unless you want it to impede you and prevent you from seeing certain things, or if you hit this certain wall within these particle physics, you can't go here, and it makes you revert back to the start. Legend of Zelda, Gerudo Valley, and then there's that place in Termina, the Great Bay, all that shit. But yeah, also, we need to talk about ice physics, water physics, and wind physics. Are there any other really bad physics in video games? Light physics. Light physics can fuck you over like a camera angle. Because remember, kids, it's not supposed to go in an angle. Thank you, Josh Jepson. Yeah. So, oh wait, I remember what my series was called. Do I have one, though? Yes, I do. And remember, this is a quarter. Bye.